Today we're having 8th annual colorectal surgery fellows advanced endoscopy course. A lot of innovations in endoluminal surgery, advanced endoscopy. So idea is to take care of colon pathology while preserving the organ by operating from inside of the colon. So there are innovative techniques such as advanced endoscopic, some mucosal dissection. There are also full thickness closure methods, and also there are clip closure devices, and also we're in development of endoluminal robots that allow us to do complex surgeries from the inside of the colon. We believe that this is the future of colorectal surgery. So we're at the forefront of not just innovating, but also teach other surgeons and to develop skills and be aware of this.